In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Google Classroom banner in just about 5 minutes. First off, let's start from the very beginning, accessing Google. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to google.com. The familiarity of Google's homepage is welcoming, but today we're headed somewhere a little different within the Google universe. With google.com now open, cast your eyes towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll spot the Sign In button. Give that a click. It's your gateway to all things Google, including the classroom we're about to personalize. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. This is where you need to select the account you use for Google Classroom. If you're a teacher or a student, this might be your school-issued Google account. Once you've clicked on your account, the next step is to enter your password. Type it in carefully and double-check for any typos. Remember, the accuracy here ensures you'll successfully dive into the customizing we're so eager to get to. Following the password entry, hit Next. This action is akin to unlocking a door, leading you closer to the customization treasure trove that lies within Google Classroom. Now that you're signed in, look again to the top right corner, but this time for the Google Apps menu, signified by a grid of dots. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu full of various Google apps and services. Among these, you'll find Google Classroom, your target. Click on it affectionately, it's about to get a makeover. Within Google Classroom, you'll see an array of different classes you're either teaching or enrolled in. Click on Your Classroom, the one you intend to customize. Upon entering your classroom, your eyes will be drawn to various options for interaction and customization. Here we're specifically looking for the Customize option. This button is your magic wand for today's exercise. After clicking Customize, you're now in the driver's seat for how your Google Classroom presents itself to everyone who enters. The next step is to click on Select Photo. This is where the real personalization begins. Whether it's a photo representing the subject you teach, a project your class is working on, or just something that sparks joy and inspiration among your students. This is your moment to make the classroom uniquely yours. As you click on Select Photo, you'll be prompted to choose your banner. Here, take your time to pick a banner that resonates with you and your class's essence. It could be something educational, inspirational, or even just a bit of fun. The key is to choose an image that sets the right tone for your digital learning space. Finally, with your chosen banner ready, it's time to seal the deal. Click on Wavy Foi. This action immortalizes your choice, revamping your classroom's look and feel with something that's distinctly you. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Google Classroom banner, making your virtual classroom a little more you. This simple change can make a big difference in how students perceive their learning environment, making it a more welcoming and personalized space. Remember, your Google Classroom is not just a place for assignments and announcements, it's also a community. And like any community, it benefits greatly from personal touches that make it feel like home. So, congratulations on taking this step to customize your classroom banner, and here's to a more engaging and personalized learning experience for you and your students. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy teaching!